Hey guys, it's your guy Otokiti Abrazak. I welcome you to this short tutorial on how to create unique list. So we are going to continue working with these data sets and we're going to try as much as possible to create a unique list for category column and for campaign column. So now without much further delay, if you come to this particular tab, you see that I've already have a header for each of the column that we're going to work on. We have here I have a header called unique category, and another title is unique campaign. So now for us to create a unique category, now we come here, we go to category column, then you select the data set there, the entire data set there, you copy it. After copying it, you come here, you paste. After pasting it, so now this, you see that there are so many duplicates here. So now for us to have a unique value here, we just come to data tab, go to remove duplicates. Once you come here, you see that it will ask you that to select, to select all. I've already selected all, and you just come here, you click OK. Once you click OK, it will show you that 373 duplicate value found and removed. That is, it's able to find about 373 duplicates and it has removed it, and 7 unique value remain. So what is going to be left is 7 unique value. So now these are the unique value. This is how you remove duplicates in your data set. For campaign also, you simply perform the same function. You come here, you select campaign column, then you copy all the data there. After copying all the observations there, then you press Ctrl, then you come to this tab, you simply drop it there and paste. After pasting it, just come to data, then come to remove duplicate. After you click it, then you just click OK. It will remove all the duplicates and it will tell you the number of duplicates that it removes. So now these are all the duplicates, and this is the remaining unique column. So guys, this is how you create a unique list in Excel. Thanks for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and exciting video in Excel.